Okay, Assalamualaikum and still good morning, is it? Okay, good morning everyone. Apa khabar? Sihat ke? Zafran, how are you today? Fine. Breakfast dah pukul 11 dah. Okay, Alhamdulillah sihat. Why Azalia? Tiba-tiba wah cikgu apa kenapa? Hari ni tak ada guest. Tapi I tengok ni raises je, mana kelas-kelas lain saya rasa saya dah share dah ni. Kejap saya tengok sikit. Ya, saya dah share pada kelas Season, Edison. Tapi macam tak ada orang je ni. Cikgu sihat? Alhamdulillah sihat. Form 5 dah masuk sekolah, right? So cikgu kat sekolah lah. Oh, seriously? Oh, okay. So lepas ni tak boleh guna YouTube lah. Is it? Okay. Tak apa, as long as I know Zafran, that's you kan? Kan, betul tak? Okay, tak apalah. Okay, alright. Okay, tak apa. So, this is the last one lah. Kalau macam tu, ke you still juga nak juga YouTube class? You lebih suka YouTube class than the Google Meet class? Which one do you prefer? Cuba vote sikit. Nak which one? YouTube or Google Meet? Which one? Hi Akram, I know that's you. YouTube sangat best. YouTube. Mengereset. Aduh lah. Is it rap here? Ada ke Rebecca? Meet pun boleh. Mana-mana Tapi kebanyakannya ramai yang suka YouTube. Tapi I tengok hari ni Razors je yang keluar. I tak tahu mana yang lain. Maybe diorang ada masalah kot. Tak boleh nak masuk dan diorang tak tahu macam mana diorang nak masuk kot. Maybe dia kena use the personal account and so on. Okay, tak apalah. Nanti diorang boleh tengok balik dekat dalam YouTube later. Alright, okay. Tengok B tu cikgu. B, who's B? Who's B? Oh, Rebecca. Aduh lah. Okay lah. Okay, alright. So, hari ni kita nak masuk, okay, the last part of the measures of central tendency. Okay, so this is the last part. After that, kita akan belajar is the final topic, okay, for Form 2. Dan for your information, kita akan jumpa kembali di sekolah. Okay, menggunakan penggiliran, tak silap saya masih lagi penggiliran kumpulan A dan kumpulan B. Okay, pada 8 hari bulan. Is it? Tahu tak nak datang sekolah ni 8 hari bulan? Okay, somebody tolong ingatkan saya juga tadi to click the attendance as usual dekat you punya Google Meet. Alright, so 8 hari bulan you akan attend di sekolah untuk kumpulan A. Okay, kumpulan B tu the next another week lah macam tu. I nak kumpulan A. Siapa yang buat decision adalah cikgu kelas awak. Okay, so boleh you PM tepi cikgu kelas awak lah. PM tepi. Hi Nurin. Okay, saya dah nampak kelas Razors juga. Tak semestinya Ash. Dia akan tengok lelaki dengan perempuan macam tu. Lelaki, maksudnya kita nak balance lah. Kan nanti tiba-tiba ada seorang je lelaki, tak boleh lah. Dia balance. Alright, okay, dah lah cukup lah. That's the introduction. Sebab dah lama kita tak masuk YouTube balik. Okay, kita buat Google Meet lah. Tak silap saya almost 2 weeks. Okay, Alright, so kita kembali balik pada Google YouTube ni di atas permintaan ramai. Yes, Azalia. Tapi kan cikgu buat. Okay, apa-apa nanti you tanya pada cikgu lah. Then dia divide lah, Azalia. Lah kita akan divide by 2 macam tu. Apa-apa apa pun you tanya pada cikgu kelas kamu lah. Alright, okay. Okay, dah. Kita nak masuk dalam topik sekarang. Dah get ready semua. Kita nak belajar hari ni. Dah sedia semua? Okay. Alright, dah sedia dah. Okay, so hari kita nak masuk, macam saya cakap, kita nak masuk measures of central tendency. Okay, this is a part 4. Okay, so ada 2 things kita nak belajar hari ini. Kejap saya full screen sekejap. Oh, dah full screen dah. Alright, so kita tengok dekat sini ada 2 things. Okay, kita nak belajar hari ini. The first thing is about determine mode, mean and median from data representation. Okay, and then the second one, apply the understanding of measures of central tendencies to make predictions from convincing arguments and make conclusions. So kita ada 2 perkara sahaja hari ini. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok yang pertama, mode, mean and median from data representation. Okay, so kita tengok dekat sini. Okay, example 1. Alright, determine the mode in the following representation. Okay, the bar chart shows the number of tourists to Resort Island. Okay, class, what is the answer? Mode for this bar chart. Apa jawapan dia? Mode for this bar chart. Ada Resort Island, Langkawi Island, Pangkor Island, Perhentian Island, Redang Island. Semua pernah pergi tak all these island? Pernah pergi? Okay, class. So, what is the answer, class? Tak pernah pergi. Oh, Langkawi pernah, Perhentian pernah. Langkawi je. No. Idea. Okay, but Langkawi, God halang takut. Ayo. Ayo, Syaz. Aduh, God halang. Aduh. Bukan halang tu dekat sebuah tempat dekat Langkawi, okay? Okay, Langkawi and Perhentian. Okay, so what is the answer? Sekarang, what is the mode for this bar chart? Itu jawapan ke cikgu? Oh, jawapan. Oh, the jawapan is Langkawi and Perhentian. Oh, okay. Langkawi and Perhentian. Okay, alright. Okay, betul Betul ke ni? Oh, sebenarnya Langkawi and Perhentian. Ni tak ada salah dekat sini. Langkawi and Perhentian. Saya ingat jawab soalan saya tadi. Okay. Yang ini tadi tentang soalan Perhentian Island dan juga is supposed to be Rendang Rendang pula. It's supposed to be Langkawi Island, not Rendang Island itu salah. Errata dekat sini. Okay. Okay. Berbalik pada soalan saya. Okay, tak ada kena-mengena dengan ni. So, resort yang you pernah pergi, island yang you pernah pergi, kelas. Aduh lahai, rendang sedap teacher. Aduh, belum raya lagi. Okay. Okay, which island you dah pernah pergi before this? Langkawi, Pangkor, Perhentian or Redang? Which one? Okay, mana yang satu yang you pernah pergi? Okay, I went to Langkawi and Perhentian. Okay. I went to Langkawi only. Oh, Langkawi. Podison tak ada pilihan jawapan. Okay, Lia. Aduh lah. Tapi cikgu ada helang fly dekat my father kereta. Syastika. Alah. Helang dengan you mana lagi besar? Oh dia, I've never been to any. Bolehlah nanti pergi. Port Dickson pun I pergi. Okay, so kalau you pergi Langkawi Island, memang macam biasalah. So Pangkor Island pun boleh pergi sekarang, kamu boleh pergi juga sebab Pangkor Island tu tak macam dulu juga. Okay, dia ada free tax juga. Maksudnya macam okay lah kalau you nak pergi, kalau yang dekat-dekat. Tapi saya tak cakap sekarang lah, later lah. Okay, alright dah. Okay, next question. B. Okay, the pictograph shows the kind of fruits that are favored by Form 2 Bestari students. So ada banana, watermelon, durian and mango. Banana, watermelon, durian and mango. Okay, which one you nak? Okay, what is the answer class? Mode for this question. This is pictograph. Okay, pictograph ada picture. Dah tutup soalan 1A. Now let's move to 1B. Mana satu jawapan dia? Apa answer dia? Determine the mode for this pictograph. Mode. Kelas, fokus. Nanti cikgu tanya soalan tu. Sekarang fokus pada soalan dulu. Okay. Faika said no mode. Okay, Nurina also no mode. There's no mode. Okay, very good. Okay, kenapa kita cakap no mode kat sini? Kenapa kita nak answer no mode dekat sini? Instead of kita letak banana, atau durian. Kenapa? Why we said as no mode? Siapa ada jawapan? Sebab sama-sama. Yes, Faika. Very good. Okay, because all of them have the same frequency. That's why we said is no mode. Kalau kata no repetition, macam mana? Kalau you just remember the previous topic yang kita lesson yang kita belajar before this, okay, dia ada maksudnya nilai yang sama kan, nilai yang sama tak ada repetitive macam 1 kan, kita tulis dia no mode because of don't have any repetition. Tapi yang ini ada repetition juga kan, okay. Tapi sebab dia tidak ada same frequency, then kita cakap dia as no mode. Okay, alright. So fruits kalau kamu lah, kamu suka which one? Banana, watermelon, durian or mango? Okay, kelas. Mana satu yang kamu suka? Banana? Watermelon? Watermelon sedap. Mango, okay. So, okay. Apple, tak ada pilihan jawapan. Lia. I suka watermelon juice. Banana and durian. Okay. Mango, Ilhan, banana. Manggi? What's manggi? Manggi ke Maggi ke apa? Aduh. Akram said banana. Okay. Alright. Kalau cikgu, I suka banana also. I suka watermelon. I suka durian. But I don't like mango. I tak tahu kenapa. I tak suka mango. Kalau mango ada depan I memang tak makan lah. Aduh. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay. So solution is no mode lah. Okay. How about this one? Ini kita panggil as apa ni? Pie chart. Okay, pie chart. So ada walk, ada car, ada motorbike and bus. Okay, class. So what is the answer? Samalah Akram. Okay, alright. Tengok example 1C. Okay, 1C. Ada car. Walk is 90 degree, car is 110, motorbike is 20 degree, bus is 140 degree. So which one? Are you sure the answer is car, Nurina? The car is 110. The bus is 140. Okay. So the answer is bus. Okay. Mode tu maksudnya the highest frequency. So the answer is mode is bus. Senang kan? Okay, now let's look to 1D. The table shows the profit of online sales in a year. So kita tengok dekat sini profit of online sale. Books kita dapat 87%, computer software 54%, cinematic 72%, woman accessories 130%, travel package 78%. So what is the answer, class? Apa jawapannya? Rebecca, kenapa tiba-tiba menggunakan tulisan yang besar? Marah ke apa? Aduh lah. Okay, so the answer is woman accessories. Woman accessories. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. So, setakat ini okay Boleh Maksud mode, mid and medium from data representation. Oh, okay. It's okay, Rebecca. Okay, now setakat ini okay, faham? For example 1, senang je kan? Very the easy peasy one. Okay, now let's move to the example 2. Okay, the bar chart on the right shows commission earned by a group of workers at a restaurant in a week. In a week. Okay, so this is commission. Okay, earned by a group of workers in a week. So that's a frequency. So dia punya commission ada RM30, RM31, RM32, RM33, RM34 and RM35 lah. Okay, so the first question asks about determine the mean, median and mode by the employee within a week. Okay, sekarang cuba jawab what is the mean, class. Okay, saya bagi dalam masa 5 minutes to answer. What is the mean? Okay, of the employee within a week. Cari mean. Okay, cepat. 5 minit dari sekarang. Alah, I lupa lah nak letakkan apa? Timer dekat situ. Tak apa, next time I letak timer, okay? Okay, 5 minutes from now. Determine the mean. Macam mana nak cari mean? Macam mana nak cari mean? Okay, sementara itu for those yang masuk lambat, so don't forget to click your attendance in GC, okay? Cikgu number dia tak nampak sangat. Okay, 30. Okay, 30 ada frekuensi dia 4. 31 ada 5. 32 ada 9. 33 ada 7. 34 ada 4. And 35 is 1. Okay, so class, what is the answer? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, apa jawapannya? Okay, class. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. $160.83. 5.6. Wait, kenapa ada jawapan beza-beza ni? 4.5. Ai. Okey. Tak apa, tulis je. Okey. Ika dapat 32. Okay, and then I got 5. Sekejap. Okay, lagi. Okay, alright. Kita nak tengok betul ke tidak. Okay, let's see the answer. Siapa buat betul tu? Faika, RM32.17. Okay, dia mesti dah lupa ni macam mana nak buat ni. Instead of you plus je 30 plus 31 plus 32, 33, 34 plus 35, you kena times dengan all the frequency also. Okay, and divide with the total frequency. Lupalah tu. Okay, boleh. That's okay, itu jawapan dia untuk main. Okay, now let's move to the next question about median. Okay, cuba buat median. Okay, answer for median. Okay, answer for median. What is the answer for median? Okay, ingat, remember median, kita kena buat apa? Kita kena rearrange. Kalau 30 tu ada 4, so 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, what is the answer, class? Okay, Nela dah dapat. The answer is 32. Okay, very good. Okay, Zafran also said 32. Akram also said 32. Okay, Shaz also said 32. Yang lain dapat 32 tak? Okay, kita cuba tengok betul ke tidak. Alright, betul So the answer is 32. Okay, bila kita dah arrange in order, so the average di 16 lah. Okay, so after that 32 plus 32 divided by 2, so you get 32. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's move to mode. Ni mode senang je lah. Okay, what is the answer for mode? What is the answer for mode? Ini seminit berjawab ni. Tengok je terus dapat. Okay, what is the answer for mode, class? Okay, very good. Okay, 32. Okay, 32. Alright, now let's move to B. Okay, let's move to B. Determine the number of workers who receive, okay, alright. Betul ke jawapan ni? Kejap. Cikgu skip pula. Okay, so betul So the mode is RM32 also because the highest one lah, the highest one. The highest one. This one the highest one. Alright. B. Determine the number of workers who receive commissions less or equal to 32. Okay, compare to the total number of worker in fraction form. Macam mana nak buat tu? Determine the number of workers who receive commission less or equal to RM32 compared to the total number of Okay, so cikgu dah buat dekat sini. This is the A. Okay, kalau you tengok B, the number of workers receiving commission less or equal to RM32. So you nampak, this is 32. Sebab dia kata less or equal, so the RM32 is included lah. Alright, so 30. Okay, kat sini dia kata 30 ni ada berapa orang? So the 30 ada 4 person. Okay, 4 workers. So 4 plus 5 for RM31. And then 9. Okay, the 9 workers here. So kita 3 plus 5 plus 9 over 30. 30 ni apa? Total of numbers of workers. Okay, bila kita total 4 plus apa tadi? 5 plus 9 and then this one is supposed to be 7. This one supposed to be 4 and then plus dengan 1. That's total workers must be 30. So in fraction form dia akan jadi as bila kita total ni dia akan jadi 3 over 5. Okey, boleh kelas? Senang je kan? Boleh setakat ini? Boleh Okay, now let's move to example 3. Okay, example 3. The table shows the number of spelling errors made by from two Amanah students when writing AC in Malay. Okay, so A, if the mean of students spelling error is 2.4. Okay, nampak sini If the mean of the students spelling error is 2.4, calculate the value of X. Jadi dia cakap sekarang if the mean of the student spelling error is 2.4. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, this is a TP5 question. Okay. Then, macam mana kita nak buat? Ni cikgu bagi jelas jawapan dia. Alright. A, mean. Okay, so macam biasalah. Mean 4 times 0 kan. 4 times 0 plus 8 times 1 x times 2. Okay, x times 2, 6 times 3, 4 times 5, 4 times 5. Okay, and then divide by dengan total dia. Okay, total of student here. Okay, then the answer become 2.4. Sebab dia kata mean dia 2.4. Okay, then apa yang kita buat? Kita solve sahaja. Okay, maksudnya kita selesaikan sahaja dekat sini, kita total up, then the answer become 2x plus 66 over x plus 27. Alright, so yang ini kita sebenarnya dah belajar, okay, the subject of formula kan. Jadi mission kita nak cari the value of x. So whatever it is, you need to move everything to here lah. So 2.4x minus 2x, okay, equals to 66 minus 64.8. Okay, so you get 0.4x equals to 1.2. So x equals to 3 macam mana? So x equals to 1.2 divided by 0.4. So the answer is 3. Okay, boleh? Yang ini quite complicated, but whatever it is, you could just masukkan the formula sahaja. Sebab dia kata kat sini the formula for mean. So you just insert the value of x inside the formula of mean. Alright, setakat ini okay tak? Akram, what's that? Oh, senang sangat. Okay. Alright. Okay, setakat ini boleh. Kalau tak apa-apa nak faham, then nanti lepas ni cuba tengok balik. Alright? Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. B. Okay, B, dia cerita about median. Nampak dekat sini? Okay, dia cerita tentang median. Okay, so what you need to do, kalau median kita kena arrange kan? Alright, so that's why dia arrange. 0 ada 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 1 ada 8. So dia buat 1, 1, 1, 1 until 8 times lah. Alright, and then 2 kita tak tahu. So that's why dia buat 2, dot, 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 2. So kita tak tahu. How many 2 here? Alright, and then ada 3. Okay, 4 ada 5, 4 ada 5, and then 5 ada 4. Okay, alright, nampak Okay, then soalan dia, if the median for the frequency distribution is 3, so the median must be 3. Dekat sini lah. Okay, calculate the maximum value of x. Dia nak tahu berapa maximum value of x. Jadi kita kira lah 4 plus 8 plus x. Betul tak? Bila dia kata median, okay, belah kiri ni, left of the tree, maksudnya 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 ni, okay, mesti equal dengan the right side. Betul tak? Itu maksud median. Sebelah kiri dengan sebelah kanan must be equal. Barulah dapat tengah-tengah. Betul ke tidak? Secara logiknya. Faham tak apa yang cikgu maksudkan ni? Kalau kita median tengah-tengah, bermaksud kita berada di tengah-tengah di antara left and right. Jadi that's why dia kata dekat sini, the symbol must be equal kat sini. Equal 5 plus 5 plus 4. Macam tu. Okay. Alright. Boleh tak? Boleh tak ikut? Tadi senang je kan cerita pasal mod. Sekarang ni dia dah mula macam quite nak memahami lah. Okay. Alright, then sama juga. Kita need to settle whatever it is. Kita nak find the x as a subject of formula. Alright, so 12 plus x equal to 14. So x equals to 2. Macam mana x equals to 2? Because 12 ni positive, right? Plus, okay. So 14 minus dengan 12, you get 2. Okay, jadi the greatest value for x is 2. Jadi jawapannya, therefore, the maximum value of x is 2. So that's the answer. Alright, boleh? Okay, so that's B. That's B, Okay, now let's move to mode. Okay, if the mode of students spelling error is 2, okay, determine the minimum possible value of x. Okay, kalau dia tengok kat sini, dia kata mode the spelling error is 2. Jadi dia kata minimum possible value is 9. Why 9? Because 1 ni 8. Nampak tak? Okay, so 2 ni must be higher. The number of student must be higher than 8. Baru dia boleh jadi as a mode. Kalau dia ni lower, macam 7 ke, okay, so dia punya number 1 is akan menjadi mode dia lah. Macam tu. So the answer, the minimum possible value must be 9. It's supposed to can be 10 ke, tak kisahlah. Tapi that's minimum possible value must be 9 for 2 ni, number of spelling error. Okey, boleh? Boleh-bolehkah? Okay? Alright, okay, very good. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, baru kita nak masuk the second part of the learning standard today, iaitu measures of central tendency in making prediction, forming argument and conclusion. Okay. Okay, in making comparison, okay, or selecting the most appropriate measures of central tendency. So, kita dah tahu measures of central tendency ada 3 kat sini kan. As the mean, mode and median. Sometimes maybe kita boleh guna range juga. Okay, jadi the importance of the range should be taken into the consideration juga. Okay, kat situ dia cakap lah. Cikgu yang untuk soalan ni boleh agak-agak je lah. Agak-agak je lah, what I mean by agak-agak je lah. Soalan yang mana tu Azalia? Yang ini ke? Example 3 ke? Tak boleh agak-agak. No. Bukan agak-agak sebab dia cakap dekat sini minimum possible value. So because the answer is 8, kalau you letak 8, 1 ni akan jadi mode. Tapi because the question said, okay, the mode of student spelling error is 2. So 2 must be higher, have a highest frequency. So kalau dia jadi highest frequency, okay, number of student for 2 ni mesti higher than 8. That's why the answer become 9, minimum dia. Macam tu. You tak boleh jawab kan sebab dia kata soalan dekat sini dia tak cakap the possible value, dia kata minimum. So the minimum possible value must be 9 lah. Boleh? Boleh Lia? Okay, alright. Okay, now let's move to example 4. Okay, Encik Rahman would like to choose a school representative for the game of bowling at the zone level. Alright, Ramesh and Khairil are among those who have been shortlisted in this selection. Okay, in the last 5 exercises prior to the selection, Ramesh's score was 116, 118, 200, 207 and 209. Meanwhile, Khairil's score was 240, 240, 75, 220 and 75. Okay, which player will be selected as the school representative? Okay, so kalau daripada sini, kalau you lah, okay, as a Cik Rahman, okay, you nak gunakan yang mana satu measures of central tendencies? You nak guna mean, you nak guna mode or you nak guna median? You nak guna mana satu kelas? Yang menentukan. Either you nak choose Ramesh atau you nak choose Khairil. Apa pandangan you? You nak guna which type of the measures of central tendency? Okay. Farhana said dia nak gunakan mean to choose. Azalia said dia nak gunakan median. Faika said dia nak gunakan mean. Okay, how about others? Tulis je, tak kisah. Jangan rasa benda tu salah ke tak apa. Kita belajar. It's okay kalau salah pun. Okay, F dia nak gunakan median. Okay. Alright. Ilhan C dia nak gunakan mode. Okay, alright. Maksudnya dia nak tengok the highest frequency lah. The highest score. Rebecca said dia nak tengok, dia nak ambil mean. Alright. Okay. So, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, saya tengok jawapan kamu. Okay, saya katakanlah saya letak mean. Okay, kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, saya buat mean. Okay, the best center of tendency yang sepatutnya yang kita boleh cari ialah kita nak cari mean sebab kita nak cari purata lah. So, which one the highest purata, so itulah orang yang kita akan ambil. Secara theoretical dia macam itulah. Okay. Tapi cuba kita tengok. Bila kita cari mean for Ramesh, dia akan dapat 70, sorry. Mean for Khairil also 170. So, both mean, Ramesh and Khairil got a same mean. Dia punya purata yang sama. Bila dah mean sama, oh lama, macam mana kita nak choose ni? Okay, ada kawan cakap you nak gunakan mode. Okay, is it true? Okay, tengok dekat sini Bila kita buat mean, tak boleh. Alright. Tapi sebenarnya kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, both player have the same mean. Mean cannot be used in decision for the selection of school representative. Jadi kalau mean tak boleh, so what we need to do ialah kita gunakan range. Okay, range is the difference between the smallest value and largest value. Jadi kalau kita tengok pada range, maksudnya range Ramesh, dia dapat antara 209 until 116. So bila kita minus, the answer become 93. Macam tu. Okay. Syaz ada satu tempat je, tak boleh hantar both. Okay, then range of Khairil pula 240 until 75. So 165. Okay, so daripada range ni, can you choose which one is the best school representative? The best suitable school representative. Yang mana satu? You nak pilih Ramesh ataupun Khairil? Sekarang cikgu dah tolong kamu selesaikan. Okay. Teacher use range. And then range for Ramesh is 93 and range of Khairil is 165. Jadi kita nak guna siapa? Okay, bagus. Faika said Ramesh. Syaz also said Ramesh. Ada said ramai cakap Khairil. Okay, kita tengok jawapan dia. Kalau ditengok dekat sini, Ramesh range is lower than Khairil range. Okay, so Ramesh lah is the most suitable for the school representative supaya nilai dia, okay, bila kita dapat tu nilai dia akan lebih kurang sama saja berbanding takut kalau kita bawa Khairil ni, dia mungkin akan dapat untuk certain score dia akan dapat teruk sangat. Okay, walau even though yang atas tu tinggi tapi dia akan dapat yang teruk. Maksudnya dia dapat yang lower sangat kan. Jadi tak sesuai lah. Jadi kalau ikutkan sebenarnya Ramesh is the most suitable for the school representative. Okay, boleh? Akram, cuba buat tulisan tu elok-elok sikit Akram. Mata saya sakit mata saya tengok. Okay, so betul lah jawapan Syastika and Faikah. Okay, alright. Okay, now let's move to the next example. Okay, ni adalah bar chart. Okay, the bar chart shows food selection at school canteen. Okay, in January and February from a study conducted on 400 students. Okay, so in January kita ada ni adalah makanan dia bihun goreng, mi goreng, nasi lemak, laksa. Kat sekolah ni pernah ada laksa ke jual? Okay, laksa. Right. So, kita tengok soalan pertama. Which measures of central tendency is appropriate for the above situation? Ingat tak lagi? Ini adalah soalan like previous lesson. Kita nak pilih either mode, median ataupun mean. Kalau masih ingat lagi. Ayo, very lapar. Itu je. Tak boleh tengok makanan langsung. Kejap. This is the last example lah. Lepas ni boleh pergi makan lunch. Okay. This is the last example. Okay. Kita nak gunakan mode, mean ataupun median. Based daripada this representation, sorry. Kalau kita nampak ni, kita nak gunakan mode, mean ataupun median. Situasi yang ada January and February and then dia ada categorical data dekat sini. Dia ada bihun goreng, mi goreng, nasi lemak, laksa. Okay, Syasid, Mod. Others? Okay, Zafran also said Mod. Nela also said Mod. Okay, kita tengok betul tak? Okay, betul. Okay, Mod. Okay, mode is more appropriate because it is represent categorical data. Ini kita dah belajar in previous class. Ingat in previous class. Cuma tak tahulah ingat ke, tak ingat ke, tengok balik. Kenapa kita cari guna mode? Kalau ingat lagi, kenapa kita nak choose mean? Kenapa kita nak choose median? Ingat kalau apa? Median, kalau tak ada extreme data, sesuai guna apa? Mean ke median? Macam tu. Kalau guna extreme, kalau ada extreme data, tak sesuai guna apa? Tu semua kena ingat balik. Okay, alright. Okay, now let's move to B. Do you agree with the above statement? The statement said, nasi lemak is the most favorite dish of the students. Betul ke? Nasi lemak. Tapi dalam gambar Raja ni, you tengok dululah dalam bacat ni. Is it true? Nasi lemak is the most favorite dish of the student. Okay, yes. Kenapa you cakap yes? Betul. Why you said yes? Macam mana you dapat, maksudnya jawapan yes tu kenapa? Lia, orang suruh tengok daripada graf ni. Sebab saya pun suka. Sabar je lah. Dia lagi seorang. Kenapa you choose nasi lemak is the most favorite dish of the student? Refer to the bacat. Refer to the bacat lah. Bukan sebab you suka tu. Aduh lah anak-anak. Okay, pandai pun Farhana said. Okay, because it has the most frequency. So kalau you tengok for both January and February, the mode is nasi lemak. Kan, betul tak? The blue color one. Because all of the students vote for nasi lemak. Are you sure? Saya tengok ada warna lain. Laksa also, bihun goreng, mi goreng, nasi goreng juga. Macam mana you cakap? Because all. Most of the students. Bolehlah. Ataupun sebenarnya paling bagus sebenarnya you said as the mode lah. Okay. Mode for January is nasi lemak and same goes to February. Okay, so the answer must be nasi lemak. Yes, because nasi lemak is the mode in January and February. Okay, now let's move to the C. Okay, you are canteen committee member of the consumer associate. You are asked to suggest a type of food that needs to be reduced. Give your reason. Okay, mana the type of foods that needs to be reduced? Apa? Aduh lah Syaz. Cikgu, I got that one, makanan no one likes. Yalah, ikut kita punya cita rasa masing-masing kan. Okay, so what is the answer, class? Okay, what is the answer for C? A canteen committee member of the consumer associate, and then you are asked to suggest a type of food that needs to be reduced. The green food. What is the green food, Syaz? Kalau you cakap the green food, dalam kepala saya vegetable je. Aduh lah. Yeah. Rap? What's that? Aduh, hai. Okay, bihun goreng. Okay, so very good Oh, okay. Jadi I call it green food. Okay. Alright. So kita tengok betul Bihun goreng should be reduced due to its lowest frequency in January and February. Okay. Alright. Boleh? Setakat ini okay tak? Okay. Boleh tak? Anak-anak? Boleh? Ke semua tangan-tangan semua dah gemuk ke apa? Tu yang asyik banyak sangat typo ni. Tangan-tangan dah gemuk kan bila you nak tekan dan banyak dia punya typo. Is it? Saya tak sabar dah jumpa all of you. Aduh, lahai. Okay, boleh Okay, so kalau kita tengok dekat sini, oh dah habis. That's the last the last slide. Alright, so kita ada lebih kurang 20 minit. Okay, you boleh tengok dekat exercise 12.1D. Okay, kejap. Okay, nanti tengok dekat exercise 12.1D. Dekat dalam GC and you need to submit before 12:30 PM. Alright? Okay, ada apa-apa soalan tak? Macam biasa, masa you buat exercise, you boleh PM saya menggunakan WhatsApp. Okay? Kelas masih diteruskan tapi dalam WhatsApp lah. For tutorial. Ada soalan? Syaz? Tengoklah dulu keadaannya, Syaz. Okay. Ada soalan? Ada soalan? Tak ada soalan. Okay, macam biasa before we end our class, you nak kena rate dulu you punya understanding for our class today out of 5. Cikgu nanti time sekolah makan kat kantin ke kat kelas? Kat kelas. Okay, very good. Ramai letak 5. Lagi. Saya tengok ada almost 30. Sepatutnya ada 30. Kena datang sekolah lah, Lia. Semua tak sabar nak jumpa kawan-kawan ya. Okay? Yang lain-lain tolong saya nak tengok juga. Apa Syasti? Okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, saya rasa sampai sini saja kita punya kelas hari ini. So, kita akan jumpa lagi pada hari Selasa, on Tuesday. Nanti cikgu tengok sama ada kita nak guna YouTube ataupun Google Meet. Okay, so sampai sini saja kita punya kelas hari ini. Okay, bye. Kita jumpa lagi hari Selasa. Thank you.